Ina with INGREDIENS and welcome to my kitchen. Today in episode we are making something very special, my grandmother's recipe for stuffed cabbage. And what is difference for her stuffed cabbage compared to my mom or my sisters? She used fermented cabbage leaves. And look how amazing they look. And it's so easy to make. All you need is regular cabbage and salt, and I will link below in my blog in details how to make those cabbage leaves. It's super easy, just takes a few days to make it, and you'll have so much health benefits to use fermented cabbage. She calls salad cabbage leaves, I believe so. So for the ingredients we need obviously this cabbage, it's the star of the dish, fermented cabbage leaves, and I'm using chicken, cooked chicken, another ingredients, onion, regular onion, shredded cabbage, carrots, I'm sorry, olive oil, black pepper, parsley, red pepper flakes, salt, I'm using Celtic salt, and I'm using quinoa. And for the garlic sauce, we need obviously garlic, a lot of garlic, cream fraiche, butter, and homemade stock. You can use any chicken stock you wish, but I'm using homemade chicken stock. And remember, good quality stock is the key for the good sauce. Really, for any dish. Let's do it. Before all we need to do is rinse the quinoa. So while the quinoa cooking for 15 minutes, we need to prepare the rest of the ingredients for the filling. Onions, we need to chop and saute with carrots, and in Ukraine we call this that method of cooking when we cook carrots, saute carrots and onion, called zajarka. And I mentioned through my blog in many recipes. It's kind of like a foundation to many Ukrainian recipes, and that's what we're going to make right now. On medium-low heat, add about 1 tablespoon olive oil and 1 tablespoon butter. Nice sizzling. Onion in. A little bit of peppercorns if you like slightly bit of heat. If you don't like, skip it, but I like slightly. And pinch of salt and pepper. And now we're making the filling. So the chicken is ready, already cooked, and has all seasoning on, so it's delicious. Carrots and onion, called zajarka, and quinoa. And some parsley, Italian parsley. My grandmother, when she cooked in the winter, obviously she didn't have fresh herbs, but I think it's nice addition to add, and I love fresh herbs so much, gives more flavor, and why not, right? Okay, now mix all together. And remember, for full recipe I will link below in my description, and also the recipe for my homemade chicken stock as well. And please leave your comments what you think about this recipe or what you wish to see on my channel, and share my recipes with your friends. Need a little bit more salt. The filling is ready. Now we need to start work on leaves. It's so simple. You take a leaf and remove this hard part, which is divide one leaf in two halves. What is good about this kind of stuffed cabbage? The fermented leaves already very pliable, so you don't need pre-cooked like normally fresh cabbage I would blanch in order to make leaves soft and nice pliable. So this is already have done, bacteria already went through and make soft up. So all you need to do, just roll, and you start with this part, with the harder part, and tuck in the sides and continue roll, nice and tight. Very easy, just like that. So the cabbage is ready, nice and tight, and I have big leaves, so I got 10 stuffed cabbage, If you make smaller, always a little bit more. And for the sauce, now I'm working on sauce, we need 1.5 heads of garlic. It's a lot of garlic and sliced thinly. And we'll make garlic confit first. As you see, we made 10 cabbage leaves, and you have to place them nice and tight so when they will cook in oven, so they won't swim and jumping around. You want nice and tight. And for the sauce, now we make garlic confit. So we need to cut thinly 1.5 heads of garlic, and lots of garlic. And for the garlic confit, we start with nice dose of butter and garlic. Garlic can burn very easily, so keep eye on. And I recommend on low heat. Pinch of salt, black pepper, and parsley. And let it cook for another minute or so. I like to add a tiny bit of red peppercorn. So now it's not brown, but becomes slightly golden color, and it's a time when you don't want to cook more than that. So now what you want to add, chicken stock, about a cup or so, and cream fraiche, about half cup or so. Bring to the medium high, and let's all incorporate nice and beautiful silky sauce all together. The sauce become nice and right consistency, all incorporate evenly. At this point we turn off the heat and pour, oh yeah, lots of garlic. Now it's ready for oven, 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. Oh, they're ready. Nice and bubbling. Look at that. And smells so delicious. Like this cream fraiche, or you can use sour cream. So delicate flavor, delicious. Has so much flavor going on, tangy. It's healthy, dinner or lunch. And I hope you give it a try this recipe soon. Please give me a like if you like this video and subscribe. Bye, see you next time.